Bulacan.
talked about it, but I hear the blame was mine. And I call you up to say I'm sorry, but I wouldn't wanna waste your time.
Mahirap ng bagyo.
But I can't take anymore. There's a look I can't describe in your eyes.
Tapos yung
If we could try
bilihin,
like
sobrang
we
mahal.
tried before, would you keep on telling me those lies?
Pag tayo naman magbinta mo sa saka, sobrang mura. Pero yung mga bilihin, abono, sobrang mahal. Pero pag magsasaka nagbibinta, sobrang mura bilihin.
Remember